Welcome to Timberline Firearms. Coming in the front door, we'll walk into our main retail space, where on the right-hand side you will see all of our long guns, handguns, NFA items, non-lethal, and optics. Moving on ahead, we go into our classroom, state-of-the-art classroom, laser projector. You can draw on the board with your finger. Walking out of our classroom back into the retail space, a large area dedicated to Liberty Safes, one of our big sellers. Accessories, holsters, magazines, cool things case, gun cases, and a variety of other accessories. Moving through the space, we come into our members lounge, where we have firearm storage for folks that are students at NAU and can't have firearms with them, and a comfortable, convenient place to be able to relax in between shooting. We have our office, where we have 51 different video cameras monitoring our facility, and a workshop across the hall there. And this is the entrance into the range. We've got a double airlock door with interlocks, so can't open this door until the first door shuts. Going into the range, we have Bay 1, have 6 lanes here, 25 yards long, rated up to 300 Win Mag, touchscreen controllers, independent ventilation systems for both bays. Moving into Bay 2, another 6 lanes, 25 yards, touchscreen controllers. We use Megget target carriers, fully programmable, so they can edge and face, move back and forth to do all that automatically. And finally, over here in lanes 11 and 12, we have our Milo live fire system, which you can see the projector up there on the ceiling and the screen on the right-hand side of the wall over there that projects across. Thanks for watching.